How to get a black background on Instagram story. What is up everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys a quick and easy way to get a black background on your Instagram story. But before we get started, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's jump right into the video. The very first thing you're going to have to do is open up your Instagram app and make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you're logged in, you want to access your story settings or your story section. For that, you could just tap on this plus icon, or to access your camera directly, you can swipe right on your screen. And once you swipe right, you will be able to access your camera. So if you want, you could just take a blank picture like this, but it's not going to be completely black as you will like. As you can see, there are some white specks. So in that case, what you can do is tap on this create option and choose a random background. Now what you're going to do is tap on this three lines at the top right and then click on draw. And then you're going to select this black color so that you could draw. Now all you have to do is tap and hold on the screen and your background will turn completely black. And that's how you do it. So that's how you turn your Instagram story into a background. I hope you found this helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.